In this video, I'm going to be revealing my trading strategy with Algosniper. It helps me to make thousands of dollars every single week. All of my trades, I use Algosniper as confluence, in addition with my own trading strategy, which is all a part of Algosniper. So Algosniper is essentially everything that I've put here is my trading strategy with visual indicators to help me to understand when I should be selling, when I should be buying, when I should be longing, and when I should be shorting. Now, with the recent update, we have added this bigger EMA, which is like a 200 EMA, where you will see this green area. It will also be a larger red area. The other things we've added is visually change the Algosniper bands, as well as you'll see these little arrows pointing down or pointing up with these little diamonds. And as well, the last thing you will see is the candlesticks. They are now different colors based on momentum. So I'm going to be showing and revealing my strategy to you all so you can understand how to use the indicator. I'm going to be giving you some rules that you should implement and follow, and this should help to bring a lot more consistency to your trading and to help you essentially make a lot more money. Now, the first thing you are going to ask is, what time frame should I use this indicator on? Well, it works great with all time frames, but for day trading, when we're looking to capture a 1 to 3% move, and sometimes we can get lucky and capture early a trend, which could be 10, 20, 30% with a particular coin. What I'm recommending is the 30-minute and 1 hour timeframes. These are really good timeframes to use the indicator, as well as the lowest time frame. The most aggressive way to use the indicator is going to be the 15-minute time frame. So the 15-minute is the earliest and lowest you want to go. Lower timeframes will work, but you must be an experienced trader and know exactly what you're doing. So the 15-minute time frame is going to be the earliest you're going to want to use the indicator, but most importantly, you're going to want to use the 30-minute, which is quite aggressive, and then the 1 hour time frame, which is pretty good, I think. But using the 15, 30-minute, and the 1 hour time frame all together should help you to form a clear picture of what is likely next. So ultimately, the trading strategy is very simple. It is very easy. You only want to buy or take long positions when the band on the 30-minute or the 1 hour is green. The band, this small little band here, needs to be green. The price needs to be trading and closing above consistently this green band. And then longs should essentially be good to go. The moment that you are in a long position and everything is bullish, it's looking good. The moment that the price starts trading under the green band, closing under the green band, and the bands flip red, you exit your long positions immediately, unless you think it's going to bounce. But whenever there is red bands, you do not want to be entering long positions. Whenever the price is trading and closing consistently above or under the green bands, under the red bands, rejecting the red bands, you do not take any long positions no matter what. You only want to enter short positions or take profits or sell when the bands have flipped red and the price is trading and closing under the red bands. When these conditions are met, you only look for short positions. If you are shorting when the bands are green, the price is trading above the bands, you will lose lots of money because you are trading against the momentum, which is continually going up, and you're going to get stopped out. It's just not going to be a good situation for you. That is the essence of the strategy and how you should be using this indicator. Now, there are some visual cues in addition to the things that I just mentioned that's going to confirm whether momentum is going up or whether it's going down. So whenever you see these little arrows here, like notice how the price pumps up here, and as soon as the red arrow comes, the price basically crashes, right? The red arrow, what it's showing, it doesn't mean it's going to crash. It doesn't mean it's going to go lower. But what it's telling us is that momentum is now rolling over to the downside. You see that? Momentum rolling over, momentum tries to come back, momentum rolls over, and the price crashes. So it just shows that momentum is going down. That can be an indication to take profits or that the market is about to reverse. Some other things that you will see now is green diamonds, these small green diamonds and small red diamonds. What these are an indication of: a possible top and a possible bottom. So whenever we see these red diamonds, what it's showing is that momentum is also coming down from a high peak. So after there's been a strong move up and momentum is coming down, that's what that indicator is for. And that's an indication after strong upwards momentum, the market rolling over, that this could be a good area to take profits, or it could be a local top of some sort. As well, after the market has been crashing and pushed down, what you will see at the very bottom is these green diamonds when momentum has been very strong to the downside and now it's pushing upwards. That's when you're going to see this green diamond. These are the ideal areas to buy or to take profits on short positions. When you see these are not telling you, okay, go ahead and buy here. No, it's just showing you that momentum is trying to roll up after a strong move down, and vice versa. The small red diamond, strong momentum up, trying to roll down. The buy alerts, these come when essentially momentum is up and there's volume pushing the price up. The sell alert is strong volume down after momentum is already rolled over. So the buy alerts come when momentum is beginning to roll up and there's volume pushing us up, and sell alerts come when there's strong volume, the momentum pushing down, and strong selling volume. These are the main things. Now, you're also going to see this big green area or a big red area. What these mean and show us is the longer term trend, essentially. The longer term trend or the longer term momentum. When you have a big green area, it shows that we're in a strong bullish trend. And what will take place is that even though when in the beginning I mentioned, we want to be shorting when the bands flip green or when the bands flip red, even though in the short term we see bearishness here, you can zoom out and you could see that the trend is still upwards. So it's still likely, despite small pullbacks, to continue going up. As well down here, that even though the bands are flipping green here, this is the 1 hour time frame, that the momentum is still strongly down, that we are still in a strong downtrend. So what you could understand is that any type of inverse momentum with these Algosniper bands inside of the bigger momentum is more a short-term move. But once the bands are green and the bigger band or momentum is green, you want to be favoring long positions only. The bigger momentum, this big green area, this line here that the price is trading consistently above, is a 200 EMA. And that's an indication of an uptrend. When it's green, you want to be favoring pretty much long positions only. When this flips red, the small Algosniper bands flip red, this main indicator, this big momentum flips red, then you want to be pretty much focusing on shorts only. So that will help you to determine a bigger bias versus the short term that we're looking to trade in. Now, let me give you an example of how I would be aggressively trading with the 15-minute time frame. Like, let's just say I'm shorting. So look at this. On the 15-minute time frame, the candlesticks start trading under the band. So momentum is beginning to now roll over and the bands flip red. Look at what happens. Strong dip right there. As soon as you see on the 15-minute time frame, you wait for the candles to start trading and closing under. But most importantly, you want this band to flip red before you start shorting, because a lot of traders, they become very impatient, they become very aggressive, and the market just pumps up. They're like, okay, let me just go ahead and short. Look, it would have taken you out essentially if you put your stop loss here. You'd have got stopped out. But if you wait for momentum to roll over visually, which you can see with Algosniper, you wait to short here, you're going to be trading with the momentum, not against it. Like, look at this here. Let's just say you thought here would be a good time to short. The price would squeeze all the way up and you wait until the bands flip red. The price is consistently trading under the bands to short, and then boom, you have the momentum with you. But if you ever short, like let's just say we're short here, bands are red, the price is trading under the bands, but the bands flip green, the price is trading above the green bands, you cut your short positions there. If you are long, you're taking longs, the price is above the green bands, you have a buy alert, everything is very bullish, but the price breaks under and the bands flip red, you cut your long position. Or you could have taken profits with these diamond indicators. These bigger diamonds are more indication of a strong trend reversal about to take place. Look, you see the big diamond, you have a big pump. You see a big diamond, you have a big crash. The 15-minute time frame is going to be for scalping, but it's going to be early. So the way time frames work is that the 15-minute is half of the 30-minute time frame. So if you're really aggressive, you can trade with a 15-minute, but as soon as it starts to recover or the band's flipping, you need to understand and follow the rules that I told you in the beginning of this video. If you guys got something out of the video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. And let me know your thoughts about the indicator in the comments below. As well, make sure you guys are in my Patreon so you can follow my trade signals in addition to these signals that Algosniper will give you. An additional tip that you guys can use is that you can set alarms with Algosniper. So here on my computer, you can do this with your phone. You would just basically have to hold and click a particular level, but you can right click the buy indicator. It says add alert on Algosniper. You have to make sure that you have the correct time frame that you want selected. And all you have to do is click the buy signal or sell signal so you can actually be alerted when there's a buy or sell signal. Then what you're going to want to do is click once per bar and then you create. It's going to be set forever. So every time there's a buy alert on the 15-minute time frame for Bitcoin, there's going to be a buy alert. But you can also write a specific message here where it says message. You can say buy alert exclamation. You can put whatever you want there and you click create and you're going to have that. And then you can manually set it for a sell signal. You right click on it, add alert once per bar and add whatever particular message you want, but you have to click the specific condition, the label sell signal. And there's all these other indicators here that you can add on it as well. But the buy and sell are going to be really good so that you can be alerted when the market's about to go up or down, most likely. Now, if you guys want to be trading cryptos, I highly suggest that you trade over on Blowfin. The link will be in the video description for that, where you can long and short cryptos up to 150x leverage. And if you use my link, you're going to have the cheapest fees on the internet for leverage trading or any exchange in the world, period.